Breaking news coming in. Clashes have broken out between Trinamool Congress and CPM workers in Bashirhat Lok Sabha constituency. There are unconfirmed reports of firing and even crude bombs being thrown. 14 people are reported to be injured. From the district, Indrajit Kundu is joining us. Indrajit, give us the details.
Well, that's right, Maruk. What we're hearing right now is that clashes have erupted in Bashirhat constituency. This is Harwa area, Brahman Chowk, where booth number 62 and 63, that is the area where exactly this incident seems to have happened. What we are hearing from, our reporters on the ground is that 14 people have been injured. There are allegations that crude bombs were hurled and also firing has taken place in which 4 people seem to have been injured and it is being claimed that they are all CPIM, opposition CPIM supporters, and they are now being rushed to the Harwa Rural Hospital at this point in time. So tension prevailing in parts of North 24 Parganas. Remember, there were, sporadic clashes yesterday as well. There were clashes in Belgoria in the run-up to today's high-intensity elections in 17, constituencies. And very high stake, really, for the ruling Trinamool Congress. Central forces have also been deployed. But very early in the day, we are hearing of clashes that are taking place right now.
Okay, Manogya, I'm going to get a quick word in from you as well. The last elections or the phases in West Bengal have been largely peaceful. And we've seen some amazing voting percentages in all the other phases. Do you think this violence is going to perhaps change the course of today?
Well, absolutely. It will surely have an impact because it will be creating disturbance in these areas. And these are the areas where the fight is extremely turbulent between Trinamool Congress, BJP and CPIM. And that's the reason why the triangular fight is now taking a defeat with the violence that is scarring it. What is more important is that we've seen that it's not only these districts, but it might spread to other districts also, given the fact that all these are stronghold of Trinamool Congress in the past elections. But this time we see it not just clipping it out because of the Modi wave that we've seen, and perhaps that's the reason why it's more of a time where these parties are now trying to get the maximum support as far as the political parties are concerned.
Okay.
But what is more important is that we also have to keep in mind that it's not only about the political parties, but it's also about the voters who are determined to vote for a certain phase and a certain type, and that's the reason that's turbulent, that's rather perturbing Mamata Banerjee.
Okay, Manogya and Indrajit, thanks so much for that.